Justin with Lucky SOB Garage. So, back on the Crown Vic / C10. Thank God. It's been taking forever. Cool thing, I ended up getting my engine mounts, which I ordered probably about a week ago. And it said it would take them 2 to 3 weeks to make them, so that's pretty exciting. But, yeah, here's them. Oh, yeah. So, order them from Outcast Autoworks. Oh, it says right there, Outcast. But they're pretty stout, 1/4 inch. All TIG welded. Welds look nice. So, those will be used to put the LS right there. Alright. So, see what we can get off so we can drop the tranny. That cable's going in for gear selector, I think. Which means we could probably just cut it, but if I don't have to, don't want to. There's that, and that looks like 2 10mm bolts. Definitely 2 10mm. Come on. Ow! That hurt. Might start bleeding. Come on. There are all the metal shavings in that pan. Or in that bell housing, not pan. Duh. Yeah. Beautiful. Alright, 10 mils away. So now it should essentially just be the engine mounts on the bottom, or the engine mount bolts on the bottom, and then the driveline. Driveline's probably gonna be a 10 mil. So let's try that again. I don't think I have anything to not get me wet. Now let's see if I can find something to not get wet. Well, it's really hard to get in here and get torque on it. But they're deep sockets, and that kind of hosed me because I don't have a 16 mil deep socket. All right, cross member is down, hence why that's on the floor. It may have jumped at me a little bit, right there. But god damn it, it's ready to come out. So I'm gonna pull that out and probably set my motor mounts in place, start pulling the transmission and motor off the other frame and start trying to drag it in. Yep, that's my start. Alright, I didn't go grab my truck yet. Instead, I'm gonna take the bolts out so this is just sitting on engine mounts, and then I'll go. These should be pretty. Luckily they are. Come on. Ugh, that one was a little worrisome. No, she's clean. That one that's a little cockeyed over there is a worry, though. I'm pretty sure I put him in, but I didn't put him all the way in because he was a asshole. Well, at least he came out. I call that a stripped out win. I call this a win with a stripper. All right. Stay. Stay. To the truck. All right. See what everything gets built on. All right. So I need to even out the left side, only a little bit. I was hoping pulling it more tight to the back would make it so that the transmission would line up a little better. But, you know, theory and all that doesn't always work. Ow, ow, ow. See what I tell you. do this every time I need to pull an engine. All right, well, I'll spare you guys watching me do this for the next 2 hours. Takes a long time. All right. So, got it about here. When I lift it up, it should shimmy back. It's gonna be a bit of a pain trying to maneuver all this, but should fit. And I'm still going back and forth on whether or not to use this trans or my 3-speed. 3-speed obviously won't be doing as good as far as RPMs on the freeway, but that 10 mile per hour difference doesn't mean much to me, but it might to somebody else. To be fair, I'm not building this for anybody else, so out of Americana rain. I don't know if I'll be able to put it on with the manifolds because of where those ones sit. Might have to hack those first to get it to actually sit in there, but I'm just hoping that I can just kind of fudge it through. Okay, so there's not enough weight off it yet. Oh, shit. That works. God damn it. It's 5/16 in. an attempt to limit the amount of stuff that gets in there when I have to, you know, cut the hole through the top and stuff like that. Alright, so I do this, I go, oop. Oh, it already slammed back, didn't it? Yeah, it did. Welcome back. I ran into a few boo-boos, got mad a few times, but in the end I got it. I got the engine out, got the other engine out of the frame, got it put in here, and it is officially mounted. The engine mount to body mount has a little slack, so I can still move it side to side and slide it back and forth depending on where I want to put it. But god damn it, it's in. Here, take a look. See? Look, it's in. It's right there. Whole lot of mess. Gonna have to clean a lot of that up. This is fuel line. Runs all the way back. Should be good. But there's my mouse. It's on. There's even a bolt in there holding it. Happy about that. So next thing I'll probably drop the drive line. It's still attached. And then I'll put the trans cross member back up, and I'll see if I can adapt the trans cross member to work with this transmission. I think I can actually steal the puck off the other transmission as the transmission mount. We'll see. Otherwise, I think next time I'm just gonna finish this seam up and try and get as much of this off that I can, and then cut out the rest of the floor and try and set that down. Because if I've got a motor in, really want that in place so I can find out where everything needs to go.